Doing a bike ride in Zell. It's a nice path. We're just going to go around the lake. There's the town there. You can't see the lake. There's a little river, little creek going into it. The weather's been great. This is a beautiful place. So beautiful. All surrounded. The town is totally surrounded by mountains. You can see snow is up there on the mountain. We were there yesterday. All right, more to come. This is one of the camping places here in Zell. So it's really nice. It's totally remote. You wouldn't see it unless you're on that highway over there. Very nice. Great location. It's not like the camping sites in America. This is really a great location. So about halfway across on our bike, passing to Zell. About halfway, started right over there. About halfway across. This is a small lake. Won't take any time to do this. Stop by and get lunch somewhere. So pretty, great views. Right, 3/4 way around the lake. Now, there's Zell over there. We have a bike path that goes right here. Go around there. We'll find a little place to eat before we get back to town. Again, so easy bike ride. Very nice. Another camping place here at Zell. Nice location to have a camping place. Right on the lake. Pretty sweet.